A one pager in 3 minutes. So let me share a painful truth I learned from watching 500 plus client interactions. Your brilliant market analysis is worthless if nobody reads it. Picture this: you have spent the last 5 lessons building perfect signals, sharp actions, and bilingual content. You hit send on a beautifully created email with 10 paragraphs of pure intelligence gold. Your client opens it, scrolls for 3 seconds, thinks I'll read this later, and never does. Sounds familiar? Your signals are ready, your actions are sharp, but clients won't read a 10 paragraph dissertation. They will read one page, and only if it looks clean and professional. And here is what or where I see talented agents completely sabotage themselves. They waste hours tinkering in Microsoft Word, moving bullets around, adjusting fonts, and somehow still manage to forget the source script that builds credibility or the disclaimer that protects their license. I have watched agents with perfect content create documents that look like were formatted by someone having a bad day with a typewriter. But here's the compliance nightmare that helps or that keeps me awake. In Dubai's regulated environment, presentation isn't just about looking good, it's about being rare smart. A poorly formatted document with missing disclaimers or unclear sources doesn't just look unprofessional, it can actually weaken your legal protection and damage clients' trust when they need clarity the most. Now, what if I told you there is a systematic way to assemble a polished professional one pager in under 3 minutes? I'm talking about a template driven process that ensures you never miss the crucial elements while creating something clients actually want to read and share. So today we are building your client converting one pager machine. You'll paste your DSPP, that's demand supply price policy, add your 3x3 actions for sellers, buyers, and investors, drop in your credibility, keep your compliance, export to PDF. By the end of this lesson, you will have a document that looks like it came from a top tier consultancy, not someone on a lunch break. Okay, so if you are ready to become a one pager production machine, let's build something beautiful that actually gets read and acted upon. Starting with step 1, DSPP power section. First, let's see what client magnet formatting looks like. I would be opening a Microsoft Word form, but I would say we can do this using Canva to make it more optimized for design. And so let's still open our I am opening my one pager. That's the 1.6. Here it is. This is the one pager Dubai Marina sample. It might not look as aesthetic as it should be looking like. So that's the one pager template English, and then there is a one pager template sample Arabic. Here it is. So header, signal bar, key metrics, action for buyers, source strip, and so on. Now that's our structure. We'll see what client magnet formatting looks like. This is the template. So watch me paste our 4 DSPP bullets with confidence score from lessons 1.3 into the signal bar section, and let's see how clean it looks. Okay, so this is our lesson. So let's say I want to, what I would do here is I would go to ChatGPT or maybe Claude and ask it design a one pager page into a clean, modern and user friendly. I put up the content over here and hit enter. I do the same for this on Claude, and I do the same on ChatGPT. Let's see what does what for us. Okay. Let us export ready HTML, CSS would be fine. Let us have a look at what does ChatGPT give us and what does Claude gives us. Okay, Claude is doing something and ChatGPT is also doing the design. Okay, this is a small one pager. Recommended actions, key metrics, market signals, DSPP, 3 stars, 3 stars, 3 stars and 3 stars. This is the name of the document. Okay, this was by Claude and this is from ChatGPT. We'll use yet another. This is a quick way of designing something. Okay, let's see what Bold gives us. This is to get a design idea. Okay, what we can do is once we have this design done, we can somehow recreate this on Canva and then keep it as a template, save it as a template to reuse it for always in the future, depending on what content ChatGPT gives us. Okay, this is almost done. Bolt is also working. We'll take one that is the best. Okay, and here it is. Run the code. Let's see how it is. Oh my god, this looks bad. Information, but do you see it has all the elements? Informational only, not financial or legal advice, verify details with DLD and your broker's compliance team, portal monthly snapshot, developer handover notice, portal methodology and HOA and management notice, the actions for sellers, buyers and investors, asking band this, typical DOM, yield band. Now that's a clean, short, one pager kind of a document. Okay, and I'll see what Bolt gives us. I expect Bolt to get us something better, but you get the idea, right? What I'm talking about. A one pager document that you can possibly download, but this would be downloaded as an HTML. I want this to be downloaded as a PDF. So can I ask, can you give me a PDF version of the same to download and share? Let's see if Claude gives us. And I also ask the same thing to ChatGPT. Can you give me a PDF downloaded version of the same? Let's see. Right click on the design. Oh my god, I don't think I can do that. No, I can't. Certainly if I do click on publish and copy link, let's say, Okay, I copy it, I paste it over here. Now this is my one pager. Can I save full page? Okay, not really, it doesn't come as expected. Okay, this ChatGPT gave us, okay, here it is. ChatGPT gave us the downloaded and here is the one pager. Doesn't look visibly good. I mean, there's no design, there's no specific thing, but it does include all the elements that the one pager should have. Okay, so while we wait for Bolt, let us move ahead in the lesson. So key metrics added, step 1 done, step 2 done, step 3 here is where your one pager transforms from information to transformation. I am dropping in our 3 action bullets, each for sellers, buyers and investors from lesson already tuned. So investors, that's lesson 3. Then you have the source strip from lesson step 4. Step 5 has the professional PDF export. Now time to make it official. You can export this and then save it in the format that we have determined: year, month, community, one pager, language, version. So this system lets you track what you shared when, creating an audit trail that protects you and helps you improve over time. I am keeping both English and Arabic versions for perfect organization. And before you hit publish, run through this final quality checklist. DSPP completes with scores, action for all 3 segments, sources cited, disclaimer included, no PII anywhere, personal formatting maintained, and this checklist has saved countless reputation. So let me go back before we wrap this up. Okay, we'll still wait. So let us end this here. What did just happen? It's pure professional transformation. A clear, scannable one pager beats a rambling dissertation every single time, with DSPP insights up top, actionable steps in the middle, and credibility building sources plus legal protection at the bottom. You now look like a market analyst and not just another agent with opinions. Your clients can digest, decide, and act. Now that's the trifecta of professional success. Your one pager empire starts right now. Open the one pager template English and Arabic.docs file from the lesson pack below this video. Paste your DSPP signals, drop in your key metrics, add your 3x3 action, include your show strip and keep that disclaimer, and export your English PDF today. Don't wait, don't perfect, just export. Optional but powerful, use your Arabic brief from lesson 1.5 to create a matching Arabic one pager for your bilingual market reach. Publish your English version on LinkedIn to build professional authority and share your Arabic version. Okay, what I can now do here is, I think we can make it look better. Can you make the UI UX look better and downloadable as a social media flyer? Okay, I will use the same thing for and let's see if we get something from here. Oh, it's again doing a code. I do not need a code basically, but okay. Do we have something from Bolt? Not yet. And why is it taking so long? It's not supposed to take so long. Downloadable flyer PDF. Doesn't look good. Okay, yes, do you see this? This looks better, but again, this is, if I click on download, it's not getting downloaded. Okay, I'm not sure why this. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll send you I'll attach to this a template from Canva for the one pager that you can reuse it, just adding your brand guidelines and your logos. Until then, let's move on to the next lesson. But you get the idea, right? Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section and the students community. I'll be happy to help.